Hello and welcome back to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. I am your host, KK Smith, and today I have a wonderful recipe for you, New Orleans style gumbo. Yes, I just love New Orleans style gumbo, and here I'm cutting up some chicken thighs. I absolutely love chicken thighs because of the moisture content, and they're so flavorful and juicy. And so I'm just going to cut these up into cube-sized pieces. Next, I'm going to start with my extra light, extra virgin olive oil. So here I have some shrimp with the tail on, and I'm going to go in and pull these apart. So they were frozen and I just soaked them in some hot water for about 10 minutes. And here these are Garcia sausage, but you could go ahead and use any sausage you like. And Dewey sausage is also one of our favorites. So we're just going to cut these up in bite-sized pieces again, and you can use a large amount of sausage or a small amount of sausage. It's up to you. Depends on how many guests you're having. I typically do about 5 sausages. But we also have our grown children and they weren't coming over. So I just did 3. And here I'm using my garlic and pepper seasoning from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this seasoning, guys. It gives so much flavor. And also my Lowry seasoning salt. I'm going to go ahead and toss these and reduce the heat so they can get all that good juice out of the chicken thighs. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So you want to make sure your chicken is cooked all the way through. And next I'm going to add my Creole seasoning. Now my dad bought us this from Miami and it is absolutely delicious. And I'm sure it's at Sam's Club or Costco. But it is absolutely flavorful and it wakes up that New Orleans style gumbo. Next, I'm going to toss in a little cilantro. I absolutely love cilantro for a little kick of flavor. So they could say, what is that? It is delicious. Next, I'm going to keep on tossing this chicken. And as you can see, it's creating a wonderful, wonderful sauce. And we're going to use that when we remove the chicken from the pan. So I've cooked the chicken for about 10 more minutes and I'm going to add in my sausage and shrimp. I've rinsed these thoroughly and we're going to combine them, and both the sausage and shrimp are already cooked, so you don't have to cook them a long time. Just make sure they're all the way done. Then I'm going to go in with my pat of butter, and I'm going to get this all over the pan because I want my roux to be a sticky consistency so it can all come together like a gravy. So if you never knew how to make roux, this is how. You butter your pan with the drippings from the meat. Do not rinse that pan out, guys. You'll rinse your flavor off. So now I'm going to go in with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to stir that together. You want to stir it together until it comes together like a paste, a sticky paste, and you want to go round and round and get all those corners until it's bubbling up. Next, I'm going to go in with my chicken broth. And you see I have a visitor. That's Big Daddy. He came into the kitchen, my hubby. And next, I'm going to go ahead and put in some water because I really wanted this to cover the meat. So when you have it on your plate, It can be a thick consistency and a really hearty meal. So I'm going to go in and get all the drippings off the pan, and this is a nonstick pan, and I'm going to whisk it, and by whisking it you create another layer of thickness and cohesiveness with all the flavors coming together. Now I'm going to reduce this for about 5 minutes. And next we're going to add all of our meat back in. And you see all that flavor, guys? Oh my goodness, this is so good. Wait till you try it. Now let me tell you about this. You can add from here any vegetable you like. I added some corn, but you can add anything. You can add lima beans, you can add celery, you can add anything you like. These are the seasoning blends from Publix: red peppers and green peppers and onions, and my New Orleans style seasoning. Next, I put on a pot of rice and I threw that under the delicious gumbo. Oh my goodness. So I didn't add okra because my family doesn't like okra. So again, thanks for watching. And please come back to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.